Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Today I'm gonna do a video walk around for the '09 Mercedes CLK350 with 78 or 79,000 miles. We'll double check that right now. It's black, it's a coupe, of course, not usual for me because it's most of the times I do convertibles. You got original Mercedes logo badge on the windshield, which is a good sign. You got a good dashboard, rain sensor, you got a nice top. Talking about the roof, it's not faded like most of the cars on the older side in Florida. You got beautiful fender, hood. Hood has few rock chips right there. Fender Continental tires. You have a headlights with no xenons, which is good. Less to break. You got rock chips on the bottom lip of the bumper. Yes, rock chips on the bottom lip of the bumper. You got some rock chips on the top over there. You got same Continental tires, 225 45 17s on the front, and nice wheels, by the way, nice wheels. You got fender with no issues. You got a door and a quarter panel with no damages whatsoever. I went through the car already and I didn't see any damages whatsoever. Okay, inside is beautiful. I'm gonna go start the car on the other side. And you look at it, this side, you got a inner door panel, you got a passenger seat, mint condition, no cracks. Take a look. Let me start the car on this side. It's a little bit hot for me, so I'm gonna sit down and cool down in this nice cool air conditioner. Okay, you do have a heated seats, you got power locks. Your radio is standard, you got a peeling radio, that's a usual thing for them. You got 78 237 with miles. Your tire pressure light on. We're gonna put some air in tires. Okay, you got a boot a little bit loose right here, and your sunroof works. Okay, you got a nice back seats with no damages. You do have a headliner sagging and little bit in the corners. We're not about to replace it. We're gonna keep it this way. Take a look at this headliner, and that's what you get. I also like this part. I like this part that it's not damaged. Most of them have holes here and broken armrests. Okay, and the thing is very clean. Has no sign of people, holding anything there and wear and tear like a usual. Carpets are nice, by the way. It doesn't smell like a dogs or cats, but the car is very clean for the age. Okay, let's go to the back of the car. Let's open up the hood. Alright. I'm gonna check all the windows. All the windows are work, and it's beautiful. When you open windows down, it looks very good. Okay, so the trunk lid is no damages, the light's not cracked, it's nicely no rust at the bottom. You have a beautiful rear bumper. Take a look at the bottom part also. The car is very nice and clean. You got a quarter panel on this side. Guys, bottom line, I'm not gonna even talk about the body because the body has no damages. Now, let's look at the inside. Inner door panel on the driver is beautiful. You got power seats right there. The seats are nice, no damages. You got telescopic steering wheel power, and it works. And AC, of course, works. As you can see, all your VIN number stickers originally on the side of the car. Now we're gonna go quick to see the car under the hood, and we're gonna go off because it's almost more than 100 degrees, I think, right now here in Florida. So you got a reliable motor here for the Mercedes. You can see on the strut towers the has no rust on the nuts and bolts, so the engine runs pretty firm and nice, well kept car. Guys, you can see by the way the car is inside that the car is well kept. You do have key. I think we have only one key. John, we have a two key? One key. We have a manual for it. Carfax will be available. I think it does have few minor damages. I think the older people owned it, and but they did took care of it. The car mechanically looks like very nice. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Friendly disclosure: this vehicle sold as is. Dealer fees, taxes, and registration is not included in price. If you're interested in purchasing, ship the car is $1.25 per mile, and your documents could be done remotely, and the payments could be done through wire transfer. Now, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see cars when we post them. It goes to YouTube first, by the way. Always Sold 123, guys. By the way, new sign is coming. It's gonna be a new sign. It's gonna be beautiful. Thank you. Bye bye.